Hey people, so there is this app called Stream, which is in case I have a lot of considering my channel is called Half Sindhi Little Mallu. I have a lot of Mallu audience. So Stream is an app that has mostly Malayalam films and Malayalam shows. I saw this movie called 100 Days of Love. Uh, that stars Dulquer Salman and Nitya Menon, and 100 Days of Love honestly felt like it was 100 days long, because the film is exactly, I'll tell you, it's exactly 2 hours and 33 minutes long. And I'll be honest, you get to feel every minute of that film, because honestly, the story is all about this girl whose camera gets lost in a. Yeah, I mean, the premise of the film sounds very interesting. That these two strangers are to share a cab, and they finally don't share the cab. But this girl conveniently drops her bag with a camera in it for this guy to find, and from there begins the film. But it half the film goes in him searching for her, and the remaining half is the audience searching for logic in the film, because it is like out of this world. So I don't know, I'm supposed to give a very glowing review, which I'm not going to do, because I feel a film should be entertaining. So, and no, what attracted me to the film was the fact that Nitya Menon is said to already have someone in her life. So it is up to Dulquer Salman to convince her that not to marry a guy who owns a Mercedes Benz, but to marry him who owns a Lambretta. So I find these love triangles type very interesting. Sometimes it's like there's an inbuilt challenge in the film. But yeah, I like Dulquer Salman's performance, and he has this very very fat friend also, who's the sidekick in the story, who's also really good in his performance. So anyway, do try and catch it, people. It's called 100 Days of Love, and you can find it on the Stream app. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.